No, no, no. In my side, yeah, showing. Recording is showing. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so hi. What's your good name, dear?
My name is Lakshmi Yadav. My name is Lakshmi Yadav. You know, let me
Okay.
introduce myself. Let me introduce
Yeah.
myself. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, my name is Lakshmi Yadav, as you know, and I'm from UP, and in UP, my hometown is Mulsiganj, and I'm pursuing my graduation in English literature, and my hobby is reading book and listening news, and my dream is to be a teacher, and to be a fluent English speaker is also part of my dream.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That's very good. You are learning English literature. So I can say you are know English very well, better than me, I can say.
No, no, Sonamti, it's not like that. I'm not good in English speaking, and you are better than me. And yeah, I can see this. So may I know something about you?
What you want to know, you can tell me. Because of my video, you know everything. What anything else you want to know, so I can tell you.
I want to know about your dream. What do you want to be?
What I want to become.
Yes, yes. What do you want to become?
Uh, I want to become I can say in a big organization and a big company. I want to like become any good position. You can say manager kind of positions. I
Entrepreneur.
want to. Yes,
Entrepreneur.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
That's it.
I'm doing a job as a account assistant. So I want to in that field. I want to in a big position kind of. If I
Yeah,
get
yeah.
a thing. Yes,
Well,
so it's my dream in a big firm company like MNC kind of company.
yeah, yeah, you will be successful in your dream. You must be successful because
Yeah,
you
that
are
is
doing, yes,
yes.
yes, please. Yes, you are doing lots of work in the same time. You are YouTuber and you are doing job as well, and you are learner as well. So I can say that you will be must successful in your future.
Yes, dear. Because of I can say you people are supporting me a lot. I can say for my improvement because every day I connected with a different people. So you are giving a chance for my improvement. I am improving myself. So it really very I can say grateful for I can say receive your side of the like a connection. I can say people are connecting me a lot.
Yeah, I am grateful to you because because of you I am here. I am talking to you. You have given me a great opportunity to talk to you to practice English speaking. That's why this credit goes to you. Yes, please.
Thank you so much because yeah, because I can say there is a now the time I can say a more platform is available like this kind of thing, but you are connecting with me. It's a very big thing for me. You can
Yes.
connect with other people also, but you are something is like in my video so that you are connecting with me. So this is a
Yes,
big thing for me.
not something. I like all of things of your videos, and I am learning. I have learned a lot from your videos, and I am learning now. Currently, I am learning as well from your videos, and I learned many things from your videos of English speaking, and you are sharing your video of Flamingo conversation, and so in this way we are able to learn from you. So thanks a lot for that for making video.
Okay, like I can say whatever my motive is come to YouTube, it will be little bit successful. People are something like a start and doing like a some people are like a facing a problem. They are not connecting with people. What the people are think about me. What the people are about my English or how I'm speak. So you are not like feel this thing like a connecting with me and not feel like that thing.
No, no, we should not mind the people's opinion because the someone's opinions can become your reality. So we should always listen our heart, and we should not what people are saying, what they are doing. We should mind on our business, and if they are not minding their business, we should not disturb by them because if you will disturb by them, they will always try to disturb you. So we should always listen our heart and mind our own business. We should going on like this.
Yes, yes, that's the thing is very important so that we can
Yeah,
achieve whatever we want in our life, I can say.
yeah.
So yeah, anything else so you want to share with me, like how you like start your learning thing English?
I'm learning English grammar since childhood. I can say that I'm learning English. But before a month, I have started English speaking. I was not practicing English speaking. You know the what is problem with me? There is a problem. I have no environment of English speaking. So there is no people with whom I can speak English. So this is a problem, and our mother tongue is also Hindi. Mother tongue is also not English. So this is a problem I am facing. So that's why I'm connected with you, and I want to practice with with you as well. So that's why I'm here.
Okay. Yeah, because yeah, I can say that everyone who is like I can say UP side in is our home. We both have the hometown, I can say, and in that place we are always speaking that Hindi language. If we are speaking English, so the people are like so they are like always saying why you are speaking English, you are speaking Hindi, like other thing, many of things they are saying, and sometimes we feel bad also, like they are telling me, but they can't understand what our dream to we want to do, but they are not understanding. They are like क्या नवाब बनोगे मैडम बनोगे बड़े होके. It's like that the people are saying. So
Yeah,
yes.
even you know the what did you say? I have also faced this problem, and currently I'm also facing, but I don't give my attention toward them. Even sometimes they making fun of us and they criticize us that what do you want to be Angrez, etc. They use this type of language, but I don't mind. I don't mind because you know if they don't want to do something, they criticize us. And then yeah, if we want to do something, they become hindrance in our path. They always want to create hindrance in our path. So we should not mind that thing, and we should continue practicing.
Yeah. Because the people are always criticizing you, like you are why you are doing this thing. But we know what the thing is important for us, because you can also imagine after few years this thing it will be very important for our career, and I can say for our future, like our when you have a family and a child, so that time the our children is also learning the English, so we can help there in study also, not for job, I can say. We can help out in in this area also. So this thing is very important after some year. So we have to like giving the importance to this language.
Yes, this is also the second language of India. This is also official language, and not only India. This is adopted all over the world. In the universe, people speak English, and even you have to go in the foreign country without English language, you will be not able to interact with the people. If you know English, if you don't know Chinese language, you know English, then you can interact with the people very well, and yeah, you can share your experience and you can talk with them. Yes.
Yes, it's very correct. Okay, dear. I was very happy to like you have like a more good thing about this thing.
What did you say, Di?
Uh, Actually, I can't see your face.
So now, can you see me?
No, your video is false, I can say. Yes, now I can see you. No,
Okay.
I was telling this because you are like a very good mind. You have to like putting your effort to learn this language, so it's a very good thing, and you have to continue these things. And hope so very soon you, I can say, fluent and a good speaker in English.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm not. Yes, I'm not, I want to be fluent English speaker. This is also my dream, and I am learning so many things from YouTube, from like you people like you who are making videos, and from there I'm doing lot of things and watching videos that help me a lot. And you people are praiseworthy who are making their precious time for us. You are making videos, and we are we are learning from there, and we are able to learn things in free. We can free of cost from YouTube. So this is very good for thing for us, and you are admirable for us. And yeah, God bless you.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Yes. So, yeah, anything else you want to ask me if I can help you? Anything?
Yeah. So, I want to ask you that please catch my mistake and then tell me. I will correct that, because
Oh
you
my
are.
God. Dear, don't tell me like this. I'm not able to correct anything because you're speaking so well. I will not find out your mistake. I can say you're better than me. So how it's I'm
No,
correcting
this,
you.
no, this is not
No,
like
no,
that.
no, dear. It's not like that. I see. I'm here for only for conversation. I will be not correcting anything. I'm not able to correct you. I can say, but you speak very well. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
whatever conversation, if you want to require in future, so I will be connect with you, and we will connect more conversation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I want to join this conversation again and again, because you are speaking very good English. I can learn from you a lot of things. I can learn from you, and my situation is same as you, and I am also facing a lot of problem, a lot of critics in my life who are criticizing me, and they are telling me why you are learning this. But they don't know the importance of this language, so that's why they are criticizing. So if you will join me in this meeting, I will be very grateful. I will be very grateful to you. So this request to you.
No, no, sure, dear. I will be joined. But whenever I have the only the Sunday time, and I will try to definitely try to join in this time to with you, because of
Yes.
today it's my holiday. It's in Mumbai, it's a heavy rainfall. That is why I'm free to connect with you. Otherwise, I'm only available in the Sunday. So
Yeah.
yeah, hope so. We are meeting in Sunday.
Okay, Dee. So please
Okay, dear.
try to
Yes,
make your time in Sunday. Yeah, Dee. Try to make your time in Sunday. I want to talk to you. If you have
yes.
time, yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
know.
I will be try. I'm not saying I will be not try. I will be try to give the 10 to 15 minutes for a conversation, so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we both are improve ourselves. I can say because we both are required this thing.
No, no, I'm not. I can't speak like you. I can't speak in fluent manner like you, but I can learn from you. Yeah, I can learn from you. Yeah, I would like to join you our conversation again and again. I know that time is very precious, but if you will give just 15 minutes for us, then I will improve my conversation. English
Yes, yes,
speaking is still.
yes, dear. Definitely, you will be improve yourself. So
Yes,
yes,
please.
I think now the time